Hey shop owners, welcome to another edition of Car Count Weekly. Now today, I want to answer a question from one of the viewers. Somebody wrote in to me and asked, Ron, who is the best person to market to? Well, I'm glad you asked because I'm going to tell you exactly who that person is, and then I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you should start marketing to that person or those people right away. Okay, so who is the best person to market to? Well, quite frankly, it's a person that's just left your shop. You're probably thinking, well, wait a second, they just left the shop. Why do I want to keep marketing to them? Well, I'm glad you asked. First, they have more cars sitting in their driveway. You've worked on one of them. Chances are they have maybe 1 or 2 or 3 or more cars sitting in their driveway right now that you have not worked on. So there's more work to be done. Second, you already have a relationship with them. Building a good, strong relationship takes time, and since they've already been in your shop, they know, love, and trust you. They know they took the car to the right place, so why wouldn't they want to bring the car back or bring additional vehicles back to your shop? Number 3, you already have their buying history. You know they're, let's say, a bottom feeder, somebody that doesn't tend to spend much money on their vehicle or no money at all, or they just come in for your oil change special and they never take you up on any upsells. And you also know that, hey, they really care about their vehicle and they're constantly fixing and maintaining that vehicle. You get to choose. The people that don't spend money with you, don't invite them back to your shop. But those that do, of course, you want to invite them back again and again and again. Number 4, you have all of their contact information. If you watched one of the earlier videos in this series, I talked about how important it is to grab all of the contact information that you possibly can from somebody while they're in your shop. You've got their home address, you've got their cell phone number, you've got their home phone number if they have it, you have their email address, you friended them on Facebook. You have all these different ways to be able to market to them once they've been in your shop, and since you're already familiar to them, they're more likely to be able to respond. Okay, so you have all of that contact information, which is vital in order to be able to send your marketing message to them very quickly. Now, the 5th thing is they're much less expensive to attract back to their shop. Look, when we're only inviting people that have been to our shop already back in, obviously we have a much smaller list to market to. So you don't need to send thousands and thousands of postcards or spend a lot of money on Google AdWords or whatever it is you're using right now to attract new customers. What we're really doing is narrowing that list down to the best customers. Now, you also, since you have that contact information, you have their email address and you have their cell phone number, so you can use that very inexpensive marketing of email and text message marketing to be able to get them back in the door. I hope this helps. I'll see you on the next video. Take care, everybody.